Good morning, student of class 4. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class student. Today date is 21st June 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 3 and the name of the chapter is Plant Life Parts of a Plant. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So student, in the previous video I explained you what are the functions of the roots, how roots fix the plant firmly to the ground, then how roots bind the soil. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and then it passes to the stem and stem passes to other parts of the plant. And there are some special roots also which can store food. So these are the functions of the root which I have already discussed in the previous video. And after that student, second I start stem. What is a stem? The part of the plant which is above the ground, that is a stem. Is it clear? So student, many students have a confusion between stem and shoot system, because in the beginning of the chapter I explained you that plant is divided into two parts, that is root system and shoot system. The system above the ground, that is shoot system, and the system which is below the ground under the soil, that is known as their root system. So many students are having a confusion in stem and shoot. See student, when the teacher asks about shoot system, shoot, when the teacher asks about shoot system, then what are the part of a shoot system? Stem. Stem is also a part. ठीक है, stem is also a part of shoot system. Stem, branches, leaves, bud, flower, fruit, all these are part of shoot system. When we are talking about the shoot system, then stem is also a part of shoot system. Stem, branches, leaf, bud, flower, fruit. But when we are talking about a stem, the stem is also that part of the plant which is above the ground. Now when someone asks you about the stem, then what are the parts of a stem? What are the parts you see in the stem? That is branches, leaves, buds, flower, fruit. Is it clear? So there should be no confusion. Students say that the teacher explained the same thing. Shoot is also above part of the ground, stem is also above part of the ground. Yes, this is true. But when I am talking about the shoot system, so all stem, branches, leaf, bud, flower, fruit, all are parts of shoot system. But now when I am talking about the stem, so this is a stem. What are the parts you observe in the stem? That is branches, leaves, bud, flower, fruit. That is the part of a stem. And in the case of a shoot system, all are the part. Is it clear? So don't be confused. Now So what is the shoot system and root system? That is clear. Now what is the stem? So stem is that part of the plant which is above the ground. Is it clear? Stem is that part of the plant which is above the ground, and its parts are branches, leaves, buds, flower, fruit. That are the parts of the stem. Now after that, what are the, there is a classification of a plant that I have already discussed: herbs, shrubs, creeper, climbers, and tree. So this I have already explained you. Now in today video, let's start with what are the functions of stem. So what are the function of stem? In today video we will discuss. First of all, what is stem? That I have already explained you. The stem support the plant above the ground. It bear branches, leaf, bud, fruit and flower. Okay, this is the first function of the stem. ठीक है, stem support the plant above the ground. ठीक है, stems support plant above the ground. And what are the parts of the stem? That is already I have written on the board. Branches, leaf, flower, fruit and bud are the parts of the stem. So this is one of the function of the stem, that is support the plant above the ground. That it support the plant above the ground. This is the function of the stem. Second, first is stem support the plant. Okay, stem support the plant. Which part? Above part of the ground. Stem support the plant above the ground. Stem support the plant above the ground. This is the first function. Stem support the plant above the ground. And what are the parts of the stem, or what does the stem wear? That is branches, leaf, fruit, flower and buds. Second is the water and minerals are absorbed by the roots, and then water and minerals are passed to the stem. Okay, so the stem, second function of the stem is that stem carries water and minerals absorbed by the root to all parts of the plant. Is it clear? So second, what is the second function of the root of the stem is that stems, water is absorbed by root and minerals, and after that they passes it to the stem. So stem, the water and minerals which are absorbed by the root, stem passes that water and mineral to all parts of the plant. Okay, so second function is, so the second function, stem carries water and minerals absorbed by roots to all parts of the plant. Stem carries water and mineral absorbed by the roots to all parts of the plant. What does it mean? It means that when I explain you the function of a root, and where are water and mineral are present in the soil, so root absorb water and minerals. But after that, what happens after that? The function of absorbing water and mineral from the soil is of the root, but after that root passes these water and mineral to the stem. ठीक है, रूट ही ऑब्जॉर्व करता है वाटर मिनरल्स को, स्टेम ऑब्जॉर्व नहीं करता है. लेकिन व्हेन द रूट ऑब्जॉर्व वाटर एंड मिनरल फ्रॉम द सॉइल, इट passes to the stem, and then stem pass these water and minerals absorbed by the roots to all parts of the plant. Is it clear? Stem carries water and minerals absorbed by roots. Is it clear? Absorbed by roots to all parts of the plant. I hope this is clear. Function of absorption of water and mineral is of roots, because roots are present in the soil. Because roots are present in the soil, not stem. But root passes this water and mineral to the stem. That is the reason second function is written. Root carries water and mineral absorbed by, stem carry water and minerals absorbed by roots to all parts of the plant. So this is the second function of the stem. And now third function of the stem is stem. For example, when I explained you about the roots, then root also store some extra food in them. In the same manner, stem also store extra food in them. And some of the names are, for example, sugarcane, potato, ginger. So these are the stems which stored extra food in them. Is it clear? But potato and ginger both are underground stem, because in this the food how you take the food out, you take out food from the soil. ठीक है, फूड सॉइल से आउट करते हैं. लेकिन ये क्या है, अंडरग्राउंड स्टेम है, इसीलिए इनको क्या बोला गया, अंडरग्राउंड स्टेम बोला गया. इज इट क्लियर? सो थर्ड फंक्शन इज some stem store food. Some stem store food in them. Such as sugarcane, potato, ginger, etc. And these are, and see, some stem like a root, some stem also store food in them, such as sugarcane, potato, ginger. And when you see potato and ginger, they are underground stem, because from where we get the potato and ginger, from the soil. ठीक है, we get potato and ginger from the soil. That is the reason they are known as underground stem, and we eat these stems. So let's do little recapitulation of the function of the stem. First is that stem support the plant above the ground, क्योंकि जितने भी, बिकॉज द स्टेम वेयर, सारी चीजें स्टेम में ही कनेक्टेड होती हैं. लाइक ब्रांचेस है, लीव्स है, फ्लावर है, फ्रूट है, बर्ड्स है, all these are things are connected to the stem. That is the reason first function of the stem is stem support the plant above the ground. Stem support the plant above the ground. Second function is that water and mineral are absorbed by root, but root passes this water and minerals to the stem, and it passes to all parts of the plant. So the second function of the stem is that stem carry water and minerals. Is it clear? Stem carries water and minerals absorbed from roots. Stem carries water and mineral absorbed by roots to all parts of the plant. So this is the second function of a stem. And third function of a stem, like a roots also store some extra food. In the same manner, some stems also store food in them, such as sugarcane, potato, and ginger. But when we are talking about potato and ginger, they are underground stem, because we get potato and ginger from the soil. They are known as underground stem, and we eat them. Okay, potato and ginger. So this is a complete explanation. What is a stem? The part of the plant which is above the ground. What does the stem wears? That is branches, leaf, flower, fruit, bud. And what are the function of the stem? That is to support the plant above the ground, because all the things, that is branches, leaves, buds, flower, fruit, all are connected to the stem, and it carries water and minerals absorbed by roots, not by stem, absorbed by root, because वाटर एंड मिनरल प्लांट इज गेटिंग फ्रॉम द सॉइल. मिनरल्स कहाँ होते हैं? सॉइल में होते हैं. और स्टेम इज नॉट ए पार्ट ऑफ ए, इज नॉट इन द सॉइल, इट इज अबव द ग्राउंड. सो इट कैरीज वाटर एंड मिनरल्स absorbed by roots to all parts of the plant. And some of the stem also store food like sugarcane, potato, and ginger. Potato and ginger are underground stem, because we get them from the soil. That is the reason, and we eat them. So these are the functions of the stem. These are the function of the stem. Now the next thing which we will study, that is leaf. So this is a structure of leaf. Is it clear? This is a structure of a leaf. Now what are the parts of the leaf? That is, what are the parts? Okay, now see this. This you see, this is a mid vein. ठीक है? This is a, for example, in the center, when I draw a leaf, so when I draw this line, so this is a, you can also say mid rib, or you can also say mid vein, or we also can say main vein. ठीक है? You can also say it as a mid rib भी बोल सकते हो, सेंटर वाली जो होती है, and or you can also say it as a main vein. Main vein. Okay, and you see with this main vein, very side veins are attached. With this main vein, side veins are attached. So this is a main vein, and with this main vein there are many, this is side veins. Okay, so with this main vein there are many side veins are attached. And now next is the portion of the leaf. Is it clear? So and this flat broad part of the leaf, ये जो मैंने बनाया, this flat, okay, this flat broad part of the leaf is known as lemina. लेमिना भी आप लोग बोल सकते हो और लीफ ब्लेड भी बोल सकते हो. दिस इज नोन एज लीफ ब्लेड. और यू कैन ऑल्सो से लेमिना. Is it clear? So this is a main vein, this is a main vein, and these are small but these are side veins which are attached to the main vein. Okay, and this leaf, flat leaf, this is known as leaf blade. ये जो आपकी लीफ है पूरी बेटा, इसे हम बोल देंगे लीफ ब्लेड भी बोल सकते हैं या तो आप लेमिना भी बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है, इसे आप लीफ ब्लेड भी बोल सकते हैं या लेमिना भी बोल सकते हैं. और लीफ के अंडर साइड बहुत से टाइनी पोर्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं जिसे हम बोलेंगे स्टोमेटा. ठीक है, ये क्या है, टाइनी पोर्स है. ठीक है, एंड व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ दिस स्टोमेटा. ठीक है, ये टाइनी पोर्स हैं. एंड व्हाट आर द लीव्स अंडर द लीफ, बहुत से स्मॉल टाइनी पोर्स हैं. ठीक है, सो दीज टाइनी पोर्स आर नोन एज स्टोमेटा. नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस, व्हाट इज द रोल, और यू कैन से व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ दीज स्टोमेटा. सो इट इज द exchange of gases take place here. Exchange of gases, exchange of gases takes place. शॉर्टकट में लिख लो, चलो ठीक है. एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस टेक प्लेस. ठीक है, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन. फंक्शन, दिस इज द function, this is the function. Okay, this is the function. What is this tiny pore present on the leaf, that is known as stomata. And what is the role of stomata. Exchange of gases take place. What does it mean? It means at the time when the plant prepare food for the, ठीक है, when लीव्स को बोला गया है किचन ऑफ द. ये मैं ऑलरेडी जब फंक्शन ऑफ लीव्स बताऊंगा तब मैं आपको बताऊंगा, पर थोड़ी सी डिस्कशन यहाँ कर लेते हैं. एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस मीन्स व्हाट. सी, द प्लांट नीड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस. ठीक है, प्लांट नीड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस फॉर मेकिंग द फूड. टू प्रिपेयर द फूड दे नीड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस. So at the time when the leaves are preparing the food, so they use carbon dioxide and they release oxygen, and this is our living gas. Is it clear? Now one time more, first of all understand the structure of leaf. दिस फ्लैट लीफ, ये पूरी जो फ्लैट लीफ है, दिस इज नोन एज लीफ ब्लेड और लेमिना. ओके, देन इन द सेंटर यू वी सी अलोंग इन द सेंटर देयर इज ए, दिस इज नोन एज मेन वेन, और यू कैन ऑल्सो से इट एज ए मिडरिब ऑल्सो. ठीक है, विद द मेन वेन मेनी स्मॉल वेन्स आर अटैच. सो दीज आर नोन एज साइड वेन्स. These are known as side vein. Okay, after that in the leaves stomata is present. Now the question arises, what is the stomata. Stomata are tiny pores. Now what is the role of these stomata. So here exchange of gas take place. Exchange of gas means what, when the plant prepare food, because leaves are known as the kitchen house of the plant. So when they are preparing the food, they need, plant need carbon dioxide. So they take carbon dioxide from these tiny pores, that is known as stomata, and at the same time from these openings they release oxygen gas, which is our living gas, because we know that we all living things, we all animals and human beings, we are totally depend on plants for our life, because our living gas is oxygen gas. And from where we are getting oxygen? We are getting this oxygen from the plants. So firstly, I hope you all are able to understand what is the structure of a leaf, parts of a leaf. आपको आई होप सबको समझ में आ गया होगा, ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट वी विल डिस्कस what role play by this main vein, or what role is played by the vein. See the diagram. So now see, let understand, ठीक है. The leaf is a thin flat broad and green part of a plant, and this is attached to the branch. Is it clear? This is attached to the branch. Now see student, mostly when you see different types of a plant in their surrounding, जैसे मैंने स्टार्टिंग में क्लासिफिकेशन की थी प्लांट्स की, देयर आर according to their shape and size they are classified into 5 different parts, that is herbs, shrubs, creeper, climbers and trees. In the same manner you will see there are different types of a teeth, there are different types of a leaf according to their shape and size, ठीक है. तो लीव्स भी जो हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि जितने भी प्लांट्स हैं सबकी लीव्स सेम है, ऐसा आपने नहीं देखा होगा. कुछ प्लांट्स की लीव्स बहुत लार्ज होती है, कुछ प्लांट्स की लीव्स बहुत स्मॉल होती है, ठीक है. सो दैट थिंग, लेकिन सब में क्या कॉमन क्या है, सब में ये भले लीव बिग है या स्मॉल है, इट डजंट मैटर. जैसे प्लांट्स में मैंने क्या बताया था, some of the plants are very small, some are medium size and some are very tall plants, but the common thing is that their body parts are same, ठीक है. in the same manner whether the shape or the size of the leaf is not same, but their parts are same. जितनी भी लीव्स होगी, जो फ्लैट पार्ट ऑफ द लीव होगा उसको हम लोग लेमिना ही बोलेंगे. मिड में जो सो वेन जाएगी, वी से इट एज ए मेन वेन. जो साइड वेन्स, जो साइड में वेन्स होंगी उनको हम लोग बोलेंगे साइड वेन. इज इट क्लियर? एंड लीफ, जो फ्लैट पार्ट ऑफ द लीफ है, यू कैन से लीफ ब्लेड आल्सो और यू कैन से लेमिना आल्सो, ठीक है. आई होप यू ऑल आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. So let understand now. See, with this mid vein, main vein, or you can say mid rib, many side veins are connected. So they, what are their function, ठीक है. So they are connected with the main vein, their function, they are connected to the main vein and they transport water and food इन द लीव्स, ठीक है. जो लीव्स हैं, इसे भी आप नोट करना है तो आप नोट कर लो. No, you are unable to see. Okay, I rub the board. Okay, I rub the board. So what is the role played by the side veins which is connected to the main vein? Is it clear? You can note down the veins. The veins distribute The veins distribute water and food, water and food to the leaf. Is it clear? So what is the role of these side veins? These side veins distribute water and food to the leaf. So this is full structure of a leaf, and in the next video I will discuss, or I will explain you what are the functions of the leaf. Okay, thank you student.